Hi there, welcome to Paper Zen. This Nutella gift box is so fun to make. I've got all my elements cut out of 80-pound cardstock here, except for the name, which I've cut from silver glitter vinyl, and I stuck that to some metallic cardstock. And if you want to watch a tutorial on how to make a name just like this, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. And then I went to the dollar store and I found some cute unicorn stickers to add on top of my box. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is decorate my box because it's nice and flat, so it's easier to do that. Do you see this half moon shape up here and one down here? This one's empty, so this one's the back, okay? So let's go ahead and decorate the front. Now the stickers that I'm using happen to be kind of puffy, and after I place it in place here, and then when I place the name next to the sticker, you see it kind of fights with it, so I wanted it to stand out, and that's why I'm going to glue it on this star to help it stand out. So let's go ahead and apply some glue on the back of the name here and attach it to the star however you wish. And again, because my sticker is puffy, I didn't want it to start fighting with the space on here, and that's why I included this depth spacer. So to make this piece, we're just going to zigzag fold this like this, and after we let it come out, it becomes kind of like a W shape. So let's go ahead and apply glue on every other panel. Squish that closed, and then when you let it fall open again, you can see it's just open on one side. And let's go ahead and glue all those tabs, and we'll squish that closed, and then we can start gluing that to our star. And you can place it however you want. I'm going to place one in the middle like this, and then just one across like that. And now you can just try to imagine where that's going to fit on your box here. And when you like the placement that you found, then we go ahead and add some more glue and glue it into place. And please know that the spacer piece and the star are optional. You don't have to use them. I just included them in case you find it helpful as well. After our glue is dried, go ahead and fold along those dotted lines. And then from below, just kind of put your finger into this half moon shape here and fold that tab up. And now you're ready to place your Nutella jar in the box. Bring up those two sides over on top of the lid, bring over the locking tab, and lock it into place. And now your box is ready to surprise someone special. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me. I love seeing how yours turned out. And if you have time to leave me a review, I'd really appreciate it. And it does help my shop. Thanks, and see you next time.